Before you fill up your car again, stop for just a moment, because there's one thing most drivers do right before pumping gas that slowly damages their fuel system, wears out expensive sensors, and can even increase the risk of a fire at the pump. Here's the crazy part. Around 90% of drivers make this same mistake every single week. They think it saves time, they think it protects the engine, but in reality, it can cut thousands of miles off your car's lifespan. A former Shell fuel engineer once said, "This is the most common and the most expensive mistake people make at gas stations." Today, I'll show you exactly what not to do before refueling, the real science behind why it hurts your car, and the safe routine professional mechanics actually follow. And make sure you stay until the end, because the final tip could literally stop your car from catching fire at the pump. Mistake number 1, leaving the engine running while pumping gas. This sounds obvious, yet nearly 1 out of 10 drivers still do it. Gasoline vapors are heavier than air, which means they sink and collect around the nozzle. Now combine that with a hot engine, electrical sparks from the alternator, ignition system activity. That's a dangerous mix. But there's a hidden issue most people don't know. Modern cars are designed to pull fuel vapors into the engine. If your engine is running while refueling, those vapors get sucked in at the wrong time, causing rough idling, hard starts, or stalling right after you fill up. Correct way? Turn the engine completely off. Wait 10 seconds before opening the gas cap, and don't leave the ignition in accessory mode. Sensors are still active. Have you ever seen someone refueling with their engine still running? Be honest, have you ever done it? If this video is already helping you, hit the like button, subscribe for simple car care tips that save you money, and comment "engine off" if you agree this should be common sense. Alright, let's keep going. Mistake number 2, topping off after the pump clicks. This habit destroys more fuel systems than people realize. That click isn't a suggestion, it's a pressure safety signal. When you keep pumping after the click, liquid fuel enters the charcoal canister. The canister gets soaked. Vapors can't move properly. Result? Check engine light, rough idle, worse fuel economy. Replacement cost? $500 to $1,200, and dealerships usually won't cover it. Correct rule? When it clicks, stop. Mistake number 3. Opening the gas cap too fast. When your car is warm, pressure builds inside the tank. Twist the cap too fast, and liquid blasts into the evap lines. Sensors get confused. False leak codes appear. Sometimes those vapors even blow straight into your face. Correct method? Twist slowly. Pause at the hiss. Wait 2 seconds, then remove fully. Quick poll. Do you remove your gas cap slowly or just twist and yank it off? Comment slow or fast. No judgment. Mistake number 4. Using your phone while refueling. It's not the phone signal, it's static electricity. Dry weather, synthetic clothing, getting in and out of the car, all build static. That static plus metal nozzle plus fuel vapors equals spark risk. Investigators linked 150-plus gas station fires to static-related ignition. Safe routine? Leave your phone inside. Touch metal before grabbing the nozzle, and step away if you must use your phone. Mistake number 5. Using the wrong fuel grade. Octane doesn't mean more power. Low octane in high-performance engines causes knock. Premium in regular engines burns poorly. Wrong ethanol blend damages seals. Using E15 or E85 in the wrong car dries fuel components fast. Correct way? Always follow gas cap label or owner's manual, nothing else. If you're still watching, you're already smarter than most drivers. Subscribe now. The next video will save you hundreds in repairs. Mistake number 6. Driving until almost empty. Fuel pumps are cooled by gasoline. Below 1/4, pump overheats. Metal wears faster. Dirt and moisture get pulled in. Bosch data shows 60% more fuel pump wear when driven low regularly. Repair cost? $600 to $1,300. Correct way? Refill at 1/4. Mistake number 7.
Filling up right after a tanker delivery. Fresh gas sounds good, but it's actually risky. Deliveries stir up dirt, rust, water sediment. That junk goes straight into your injectors. Correct way? Wait 4 to 6 hours after delivery before filling up. Mistake number 8. Adding fuel additives at the wrong time. Pouring additives right before fueling causes foaming, air pockets, and uneven mixing. Some cleaners even form sticky residue. Correct way? Add cleaners before driving, not before pumping. Stick with trusted brands only. Mistake number 9. Parking at the wrong angle. If your filler side is higher than the tank, air gets trapped. The pump clicks early, and you lose up to half a gallon per fill. Correct way? Park level or slightly filler side down. Mistake number 10. Not tightening the gas cap correctly. Loose cap equals vapor leak equals check engine light. You also lose fuel invisibly. Correct way? Turn until 3 clicks. Replace caps every 5 years or 60,000 miles. Final bonus tip. Don't trust miles to empty. It's just an estimate, and it can be wrong by 20 miles or more. That last fuel is dirty, moist, and hard on the pump. Correct way? A quarter tank is your real empty. Most drivers make these mistakes without realizing it. Each one seems small, but together they kill fuel pumps, ruin evap systems, damage injectors, and increase fire risk. Like this video if you learned something new. Subscribe for more money-saving car tips, and comment below which mistake shocked you the most. Your car and your wallet will thank you.